My name is Abel, and I'm the loan servicing manager here for Mountains West Ranches, and today we'll be talking about land loans. Yeah, so getting a loan through a bank or mortgage broker is typically a long and frustrating process. They'll have you upload tax returns, W-2s, pay stubs, and bank statements. You also have to go through appraisals as well as several credit committees. And then it can take weeks, sometimes months to even get an answer for them. With our owner financing, we've made the process simple. All that we have you do is fill out a simple credit application, couple references, and that's it. No income verification, no appraisals, no jumping through hoops. Everyone gets approved and we make the process simple. If you do plan on paying cash instead of doing financing, we do offer a small discount, just our way of saying thank you for making it quick and easy. Once your loan is set up, making payments is quick and simple. We accept various methods: ACH transfers, cash, check, and even credit cards. However, keep in mind if you do choose a credit card, there is a small processing fee applied. But yeah. Yeah, it's a great question. People ask us all the time. And yeah, you could absolutely can pay a loan off early. There are no prepayment penalties whatsoever. You can always just pay extra along the way, or if you want to just pay the loan off early, we're willing to work with you. Yeah, if you have any questions about your loan or just anything in general, we're always a call, text, or email away. We are here to help you every step of the way. One of the most common questions we get is, what if I'm not great with paperwork, or will I even qualify? And honestly, don't stress about it. We've made the whole process super straightforward and simple, and we'll always help you out along the way. So we don't just finance land, we build relationships. You're not just a number here with us. We want to help you with every step of this journey. Ultimately, our goal is to help you realize your goal of owning land, and we're here to help you facilitate that in any way we can.